Hidden deep within untouched greenery, where towering trees whisper and sunlight filters through the forest canopy, stands a home that feels less built and more discovered. From the outside, it appears like a serene forest hut, raw, grounded, and humble, perfectly blending into the lap of nature. Just calm, fresh air, and the rhythm of the wild. As we rise upward, the home opens into a stunning terrace lounge. Semi-open, airy, and expansive, this space is designed for slow evenings and soulful conversations. A refined barbecue setup anchors the lounge, while panoramic forest views stretch endlessly in every direction. Just beyond, an outdoor guest area unfolds, light, breezy, and alive. Floral decor sways gently with the wind, seating blends into nature, and the forest becomes your backdrop. This isn't an outdoor space. It's an experience of openness and freedom. Step inside, and the mood shifts to pure grandeur. A soaring living room welcomes you with a statement chandelier, bold, elegant, and commanding. Natural light pours in, reflecting luxury without overpowering the tranquility outside. Tucked away is a deeply personal indulgence, a private wine sanctuary. Here, wine is not just stored, but brewed, aged, and celebrated. Wooden barrels, curated bottles, and a warm ambience create a space meant for connoisseurs and quiet evenings alike. The formal dining area opens seamlessly toward nature through massive glass doors. Every meal here is framed by green views, natural light, and a sense of timeless elegance, where conversations flow as freely as the scenery outside. The bedroom is designed as a private escape. Soft finishes, muted tones, and expansive openings frame uninterrupted views of greenery outside. Every element here promotes calm, from the gentle daylight to the silence of the surrounding forest. It's a space meant for deep rest, slow mornings, and complete privacy. The workspace is quiet, refined, and intentional. A clean, functional desk anchors the room, paired with practical storage and balanced lighting. With nature visible just beyond, this is a place where concentration comes easily and work feels effortless, designed for focus without isolation. The kitchen is sleek, efficient, and thoughtfully planned. High-end electrical appliances integrate seamlessly into modern cabinetry, while generous counters make cooking smooth and organized. Bright, open, and practical, this kitchen is built to perform, whether for everyday meals or hosting with ease. Designed like a private spa, it features a luxurious jacuzzi set against calm surroundings. Soft lighting, natural textures, and rose petals floating on water turn everyday routines into moments of indulgence. Quiet, intimate, and soothing, this is where the home truly slows down. This is not just a mansion in nature. It's a rare balance of luxury and stillness. A home where architecture respects the forest, and living feels deeply connected, calm, and complete.